The preparation for the 2025 midterm elections. The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, assured voters the automatic counting machines, or ACMs, that will be used in next year's elections are safe from hacking. COMELEC announced this after they inspected the ACMs with officials of the Kapisanan ng Broadcaster ng Pilipinas yesterday. While they listed numerous customization requests for the ACMs, COMELEC expressed confidence the ACMs from South Korean company Miro Systems are not prone to irregularities except in some cases.
Ang problem po natin, hindi po masasabi ng makina kung yung bang nagpapasok na taon ng mga balota ay mga botante mismo. O baka naman hindi na botante. Baka naman tinakot ang botante, binili yung botante, na-terrorize yung botante, kaya po yung mga balota, sineshade na lang ng iilang tao, isang tao, at pagkatapos pinifeed, mass feeding ang tawag doon.
Alright, malaki-laki yung mga naging usapin dyan kinapalooban ng Miro Systems, di ba? Pero all systems go nga, ika nga, at makikita natin.
Fully customized to the needs of COMELEC.
Sabi nila, oo.
Tsaka multiple transmissions ang ginagawa niya after pagpasok ng balot, 'di ba? Pag nag-compute na yung machine, hindi lang sa COMELEC server, pati sa mga accredited parties papadalan. Tsaka yung mga transparency servers,
Right.
papadalan din.